Yes, good morning, students. Welcome to your social studies class. So, students, as we are going to start our second chapter, which is hunters to gatherers, as we know that archaeologists were one who used to find out the information from the past and tell us about different information related to that period. So when the archaeologists find out the information, they came to know that during this period, maximum amount of weapons were made up of stone. That's why this period is also known from the name of Stone Age. As the Stone Age is divided into three parts, the three parts, as we have discussed, are Paleolithic sites, Mesolithic sites, and Neolithic sites. So, today we are going to locate the different places which are found in these different sites on which the Stone Age is divided. You all students required to have political map of India so that we can locate the different places which were found in these three different sites of Stone Age. Yes, so students, you all must have this type of political map of India for filling these different sites which are found in different Stone Ages. First, you all students have to write down the name of your chapter, and then you all have to mention the date on this map. So students, as we know that we are going to locate the different places which were found in these three different stone ages. So firstly we will mention the name of different stone ages. So the names are Paleolithic sites, or we call them with the other name Old Stone Age. Then second, Mesolithic sites, and the other name for this is Middle Stone Age. And the third one is Neolithic sites, or we call them New Stone Age. You all students can use different signs or symbols to show these different sites on the political map of India. As I have chosen this symbol for the Paleolithic site, and this symbol for Mesolithic site, and this symbol for Neolithic sites. So students, as we all know that Paleolithic sites is a period which is known as Old Stone Age. So now we are going to locate the places which were found in these Paleolithic states, right? So first state which lies here is Mirzapur. So Mirzapur is in Uttar Pradesh. As we know that where is Uttar Pradesh, so we are going to locate Mirzapur here. Mirzapur. I am using this symbol because this symbol shows Paleolithic sites, so that's why I am using this symbol. So you can use the symbol of your choice. So this place is Mirzapur, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Then the next place which is found in Paleolithic site is Bori, and Bori is located in Maharashtra. So here are Maharashtra. We are going to write down Bori. Then the next place which is found in Paleolithic site is Navdatali. So it is also in Maharashtra. So I am using the same symbol, and the name is Navdatali. So these two places are located in Maharashtra. Then the other place is Kurnool, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. So I am using the symbol, and the name is Kurnool. And this place is Andhra Pradesh. Then the next is Hunsgi, which is in Karnataka. Where is our Karnataka? Here is our Karnataka. I am using the symbol. So we will write down here Hunsgi. So total 5 places I have located in this map. Kurnool, which is in Andhra Pradesh. Hunsgi, which is in Karnataka. Then Navdatli and Bori, which is in Maharashtra. Mirzapur, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Now moving to the next site is Mesolithic sites, means the places which were found in Middle Stone Age. I am using this symbol for displaying the different places which were found in Mesolithic states. So the places are, first is Adamgarh, which is in Madhya Pradesh. So where is our Madhya Pradesh? Here it is. So I am using the symbol Adamgarh. Right? So Adamgarh, where is Adamgarh? It is in Madhya Pradesh. Right? Then moving to the next is Bagad, which is located in Rajasthan. So the other place which is found in Mesolithic period is Bagad, which is in Rajasthan. Right? And the next site is Neolithic site. The other name for Neolithic site is New Stone Age. So we are going to locate the places which were found in New Stone Age. So the first is Maski, which is in Karnataka. I am using this symbol. So in Karnataka is Maski, which belongs to which site? Neolithic site. Then Mehergarh. Mehergarh, which is in Pakistan. Where it is? It is in Pakistan. The next, Chirand in Bihar. Where is our Bihar? Here it is. Chirand, I'm using this symbol. And where is Chirand? Chirand is in Bihar. Then Dojli Harding, which is in Assam. Where is our Assam? Here it is. Dojli Harding, which is in Assam. And the next is one more place here, Piklihal. So students, we have located these different places which were found in Paleolithic site, Mesolithic site and Neolithic site, and the other name for these are Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age. So students, I hope now you all are able to locate these different places in the political map of India. Thank you students and have a nice day.